Hi, uh, my name's John Freeman, and I'm the founder of Eternal English. I'm the workshop facilitator and the head coach. I spent many years of my life as a stress management coach. And when I became a teacher 12 years ago and started teaching English, I brought a lot of that stuff in from the stress coaching into my English language teaching. And my dream was always to make the lessons more effective, but not just the lessons more effective. I wanted to make the student more effective. And I had this dream of the, the teacher learner partnership, and I wanted to help people become better learners, to use the language they already have more effectively, to understand more easily. And that's the dream of Eternal English. That's why I created Eternal English, so that I could make life easier for people who wanted to improve their English, who wanted to love the English language as much as I do. So here I am, Eternal English. The company is here. The company is thriving. The company is here to serve you in whatever needs you like. And you will find me what kind of a person I am. I'm fun. I'm extremely light-hearted. I don't like lesson plans. I have a general idea of what we're going to achieve in each session, and then what happens next depends on the interaction me and you have. So I'm very light-hearted. I like to keep things extremely simple. I can always see the shortcut to everything that we want to achieve together. And I'm very intuitive. So I can tell when you need something, when you want something, when you're struggling with something. It makes the sessions with me very, very responsive and great fun. And I laugh a lot with my sessions, with the workshops, with the one-to-one coaching. I have great interaction with people, great connections, and it's just fun. This learning English doesn't have to be a struggle. It doesn't have to be hard. If you play your part and I play my part in that partnership, we both have fun. We both achieve our goals, and you get everything you want out of the English language. So here I am. I'm here to serve. You will love me. You will love working with me, as indeed I will love you, and I will love working with you, because it's all about people, isn't it? And the more we can connect, the better result we're all going to get. So thank you for watching. Hit the button below, book yourself a consultation, come and meet with me, come and have a virtual coffee with me, and we'll chat and we'll see what we can do together. I'll look forward to meeting you.